Want to know how to let Cursor AI explain only a single line of code in its program? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. First things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application and open up any file. So we have also created a video on how to create a new file and more of these helpful videos, so make sure to watch it. So once you have opened it up, you should be onto this interface right here. And now once you're onto this interface, so I have this code and you can just simply select Ctrl+A and then select Ctrl+K. So this should open quick selection. So right here you should be seeing this drop-down box. Just simply select this drop-down box and select quick question right here. So now once you have selected quick question, you can just simply type in explain me. So once you have typed in this specific line, so as you can see right here, it should be explained, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure you like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.